Now, when you do turn feedback off, the box loses all of its sensor processing capabilities, but it will still work as a power distributor and run all actuators in tandem in the same direction. Notice you lose the calibration, you lose units, limits, and length. Those all depend on the sensor circuit for operation. Why does the sensor turn off all position-based processing? Well, here we have our power, our FCB, and the actuator. Inside the actuator, we have a motor and we have a sensor, both of which spin, and they are physically connected together. When the sensor spins, it sends a signal back to the FCB telling it certain information about the movement. The FCB processes this signal and then sends power back to the motor, which then physically turns the sensor, and we call this a closed-loop feedback circuit. So, what happens when we turn the feedback off? As the actuator extends and retracts, the sensor is telling the computer brain whether we're moving in or out and how far we are moving. This is used to process the position of the limits, so when we turn feedback off, we're essentially turning off the sensor, which means we lose our limit settings. Technically, we lose calibration as well. And now we just have a box controlling the motor to move out and back.